Hello, we are on page 251 of our math books, and I'm going to do 1A and 1B together with you. So this is a 3-digit factor, and it would work the same way as if we had a 2-digit factor. You're multiplying 6 times 3, that's your 18. You write your 8, but you do not write the 18 here, you carry the 1. I've seen some of you do that. You'd write the 18 and then you'd multiply 6 times 2, get a 12, and write the 12 here. You don't do that. You carry just like you normally would have if it was just a 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. You write the 8, carry the 10. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1. There's your 3. You do not write 13 here. You carry the 10. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is your 7, and you line them up. Next, you always make sure that you keep this as 0 because this is not a 5, it's a 50. If you multiply 50 times 3, you're going to get 150. You're not going to have anything in the ones place. So 5 times 3, one thing I forgot to tell you guys last time, cross off the numbers you've carried from the ones place. When you multiply 6 times 3 and get an 18 and carry the 10, you're not going to use that again when you cover up your 6 and stop using it. You're done with this. So this has to be crossed off so you don't confuse yourself, because some of you have been adding this one and the one you get from 5 times 3. When you multiply 5 times 3, you get a 15. You write the 5 and you carry the 1 up here. But if you didn't cross off this one, then you're going to think that you have to add both of them. So don't do that. Always cross off the numbers you're carried from the ones place, because you're never going to use them again, and I don't want you confusing them when adding these. So 5 times 3 is 15. Write your 5, carry your 1. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, or 11, I'm sorry. You write the 11 and you carry another 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, and you write the 6 over here. Then you add the 2. There's your 8. Write that in. 3 plus 5, 7 plus 1, and nothing added here. There's your 688. Let's go over to this one. It's a little bit bigger numbers, so pay attention as I do them. I'll show you guys again when you have to cross off the carry numbers. So 2 times 9, there's your 8, and you carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, there's your 9, and nothing carried there. 3 times 2 is your 6. Okay, remember to keep the ones place with a 0. There will never be anything there. So 7 times 9 is your 63. Oh, I didn't cross this off, did I? There's your 1. Cross it off. 7 times 9 is 63. Don't write 63 here. You write the 3 and you carry the 60 above your crossed off 1. 7 times 4 is your 28, and add the 6. You're going to get a 34. Okay? And you carry the 3 over here. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3, and there's your 24. Okay? So just like we always carried, you write those numbers up there. And then you add. There's your 8. 9 plus 3. Carry the 1 up here. Don't try to carry it up here. You're just doing addition down here, and you carry your numbers over here. 6 plus 4 is your 10 plus a 1. There's your 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 4. And there's your 2. Where does a comma go? 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's it.